Okay, I'm going to be attacked by two birds, so pay attention. They are up on top of their little house. Now, I'm going to go on top of this ladder here where they have a nest, and as I do, they're going to go crazy and attack me, both of them. I'm climbing my ladder, which is not easy to do while I'm filming the birds, knowing that he's going to attack me. He's going to attack me. Oh my God, there I come again, there I come again. Here he is, up there. One. Here's the other one. Pat, look at, they're attacking me. Look at this. They got a nest up here. Watch. Go! Oh, Jesus. It's unreal, man. Look, look. Watch. I don't know where the other one is. Ow! Ow! Okay, where's the nest? Oh, shit. Look, 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 look. Let's go. Jesus Christ. They're coming from everywhere. Okay, come on. Come on. Oh! Jesus. Come on. I gotta keep an eye on them. Oh! Jesus! I don't know where to put it. I'll get... Ah! Jesus! I gotta get down. Gotta get down. Here he goes again. Shit, man. Come on. Come on. What a war this has been. Here he goes. Here he goes. Come on. Here he comes up there again. Look at him. He's going to come at me. When he sees that I'm going to go up there again, he's going to come up me. Another ladder now. Look, 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 look. Yo! Yeah. Alright. Oh, yeah. Yo! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I got eyes in the back of my head now. Come on. Come on. I'm not afraid of you guys anymore. Oh, yeah, that one you come from the back.